The final guidance we put out has been generally well received. That's at least the feedback we're getting. And the thought is that this will help create greater incentives for innovation in the mobile app space. Essentially, what we did is respond to requests from developers to provide greater clarity about how we would approach mobile apps. And essentially what we said is the following, that what matters is the function of the software, not the platform. So we're going to treat function the same. But we're only going to focus on those higher risk products that essentially we have approved, cleared, or classified. So for example, everyone's probably had an EKG. And if you've gone to the doctor's office, you probably had this box that came in on a cart, that was on a table, and they attached leads to your chest and your arms and your legs. And they looked at your heart rhythm to see if there were any signs of heart disease. Well, today there's software that you can put on a smartphone that essentially transforms that smartphone into an EKG that doctors use to diagnose patients. And we've already cleared such technology. Well, in that case, it's the same function. You've essentially moved from a big box to a smaller box. So we say, look, it poses the same risks. Doctors rely on it to the same extent. So we're going to treat it the same. But it's the kind of technology that we generally regulate. That's essentially what the guidance says. But we also took the opportunity to say, you know what, there are a whole bunch of functions that we've been regulating for years. And we think they're sufficiently low risk that we should stop regulating them. Things like drug-drug interactions, or drug dietary supplement interactions, or simple drug dosing calculations. And so we use this as an opportunity to deregulate all of those technologies. In fact, it was the biggest deregulatory effort we had taken probably in a generation. And so we think the combination of the greater clarity and the deregulation will provide greater incentives for innovation in this space. Now, if you're not sure, if you're developing a mobile app and you say, you know, I'm not really sure if I'm kind of under the FDA framework or I'm not, ask us. In fact, we made it very easy for you. All you have to do is send us an email, tell us what you're making or planning to make and what it does, and you can send the email to the following, mobilemedicalapps@fda.hhs.gov, and we'll respond to you in a few days.